In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to factory reset your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, launch your settings. Once over here, at the left hand side, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option system. Now scroll down and tap recovery. Inside the recovery menu, choose reset this PC. If you cannot find it, use the search bar at the top of settings and type reset this PC. You will then be asked whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. A factory reset requires removing everything. Next, choose how you want to reinstall Windows, either through a cloud download or local reinstall. A local reinstall is usually faster and does not require internet. After selecting your method, review the reset settings to make sure everything looks correct. Then click Next. Finally, read the summary of what will happen during the reset. And if you're ready, press reset, your PC will begin the process automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.